Kautuk, this is a game changer. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a
Yeah.
proper game changer. Like, I
So,
can't
so
believe.
for those of you who don't know, that is basically there are these silicone hooks that can attach to your specs to prevent them from sliding off your nose. It's a game changer.
Wow, wow, game changer. Guys, see what I have. Guys, see what I have. Right? I can
Wait,
just,
रुक
I don't need
चश्मा
to
चश्मा
keep it
पहनने दे.
anywhere.
चश्मा पहनने दे.
क्या मस्त एकदम कन्वीनियंट है, कोई टेंशन ही नहीं है इसके अंदर, मस्त किधर वो गिरता नहीं है कभी, कुछ नहीं होता है, मस्त.
ये लोग का पता नहीं,
तू
ये लोग
कपड़ा
क्या
लेके
शो
साफ
ऑफ
नहीं
कर रहे
करता
हैं.
है?
आई डोंट नो व्हाई दिस पीपल शो ऑफ. ये मेरे को समझ नहीं आता है. उस दिन अपर्णा मेरे को बोल रही है कि अरे तेरे को तो दिखता नहीं होगा ना, बिकॉज यू आर नॉट नॉर्मल. लाइक आई एम नॉर्मल, अनलाइक लाइक तू. ये क्या नया चालू हो गया है? तुम लोग नॉर्मल, मैं नॉर्मल नहीं.
But guys, whether you wear specs or whether you have amazing eyesight, I'm sure you must have seen our recent post that we are finally taping Mark Kasam Audience Edition for YouTube, right? Like we said, after 250 episodes of our personal stories, we want to hear some of your crazy, unbelievable stories. So if you want to be a part of the episode, be on stage with us and be on our YouTube channel, all you have to do is send a short write-up of your story to the email that is pinned in the comments. The best ones make it to the episode and they can come and join us on stage.
Yeah, make sure that the stories are the craziest ones from your life, huh, by the way. Like, it has to be an unbelievable story, the kind of story that you start by saying, "माँ कसम ये सच है."
Yeah.
Yes.
Also, even if you're not from Mumbai and you still want your story heard, you can still email it to us and we will read out your story on your behalf. And tickets for all the 12 shows that are happening in Mumbai end of September and middle of October, they're all live. Pretty much the first phase is already sold out. So
Almost
don't waste
sold out.
time. फटाफट जाके खरीदो, अपना स्टोरीज भेजो और चालू करते हैं एक मस्त पे की न्यू फॉर्मेट. क्या बात है.
आज हम लोग
क्या
पर्सनल
बात है.
स्टोरीज ही करने वाले हैं. यस, दैट्स द न्यू फॉर्मेट.
तो चलो चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड इन 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome to another episode of The Internet Said So, a show where we take random interesting weird facts such as an personal stories and we talk about it. और आज का टॉपिक क्या है आपको ऑलरेडी मालूम होगा, लेकिन कौतुक तू अपने मुंह से बता.
Okay, so the topic for this particular episode is firsts. Okay, these are all the firsts that we've had in our lives.
Yeah, so we're going to
Whether
name
we-
all the people who have commented first in our comments for the last 200 episodes, starting with Prakash Patel.
So the idea for this episode basically was that it came from here. Okay, so having a daughter basically means that everything she's experiencing for the first time. And
Sure.
by default, you are also reminded of all these firsts that have happened in your life, right? Dude, like such crazy things. Like she discovered puddles recently. Like,
Wow.
वो नीचे गई. Can you imagine discovering puddles? नीचे गई है. She's stepped in water. Okay, and then she stopped in her tracks, eyes wide, looked down. She's like, ये क्या है? वो जमीन पे पानी है और
She's about to be shocked with
Bro,
Bombay. It's like Bombay.
Bro, you can't
It's
believe,
just
you
one
won't
puddle
believe
after
the same
another.
thing. The same thing happened to me. I went down and I discovered road.
अरे
I was like, एक मिनट, ये एक्चुअल सॉलिड ग्राउंड है, मैं इसके अंदर गिरने नहीं वाला. तो ईरा और मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस काफी सिमिलर.
Dude, and the crazy thing is, like what I like about this moment is the fact that you forget sometimes, like you take the world for granted because you're so used to things that you don't see the wonder that is inherent in them. So when
Yeah.
kids experience all these things, you're like, oh shit, yeah. I mean, at some point, this was also for me amazing.
Oh,
Right?
so
And-
the potholes are for us to stay in touch with our childhood.
It's
Aw.
nostalgic.
Man, way to
Wow.
ruin this. But I'll tell you another first that happened with her. But before I tell you that, okay, so it's her first word. Now, before I tell you what that word was, I have to tell you this. So when you grow up, right, like you always feel ki I will not become my parents. I will not do or say things that my parents did because it was just अरे क्या meaning अभी आगे बढ़ते हैं, we'll say new things, we'll do new things. But as you get older, sometimes you realize कि bro, some words that your parents used to use, they just come rushing out of your mouth. Okay, so this is what happened to Siddhi recently. So Ira's her first word was Papa.
Wow, क्या बात कर रहा है?
Oh.
Bro, are you sure she wasn't saying पापड़ और तूने सिर्फ पापड़
हाँ.
No, it was
उसको पापड़ चाहिए था?
it was Papa. Okay, and
Wow.
the minute she said Papa, Siddhi lost it.
The fuse is
खत्म,
lit
खत्म,
ना. अभी
Immediately.
मम्मा कब बोलेगी?
No,
It's like अभी.
immediately from her mouth, this phrase came out, which she thought she would never say in her life. The phrase came out saying, "9 महीने, 9
मैं
महीने मैंने तुझे मेरे कोक पे
कोक
रखा
में पाला
था
है।
और तेरा फर्स्ट वर्ड है पापा." So it is what it is.
ब्रो
Guys,
तू अपने बच्चे का फर्स्ट वर्ड सुना है, मैं अपने बच्चे का बैंक्सी।
Varun has
First
been
of all-
sitting and trying to teach Banksy how to do the opening for Tis. It's just-
बाय द वे आज उसका मैंने पहला ऐसे प्रॉपर भौक सुना।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
फर्स्ट
हाँ, अभी तक वो थोड़ा छोटू है। नहीं, वो तो पूरा टाइम मतलब वो ऐसा ऐसे वाला हल्की वाली आवाज निकल रही थी। आज बेल बजी है, मैं बाहर हूँ इधर, वो अंदर है, निकिता बाथरूम में, तो ही इज अलोन इन द रूम एंड अभी ही स्टार्टेड रिएक्टिंग टू द बेल की बेल बजा कि चल मैं जाके देख रहा हूँ कि कौन है, लेकिन पापा तू मेरे साथ चला क्योंकि मैं अकेले जाके देख नहीं सकता। तो ऐसा जाता है, फिर ऐसे रुक के देखते तो आ रहा है ना मेरे साथ कि मैं अकेले जाऊं। फिर मैं जाता हूँ। सो बिकॉज द डोर वॉज शट ही वांटेड टू कम आउट, तो उसने पता नहीं एक बिग डॉग का भौंक बार्क निकाला अपने अंदर से आज, और अंदर से इतना प्राउड लगा कि भाई है अभी रेडी हो गया है।
I don't know why people do this. The moment somebody is talking about their child, which is Kautuk talking about his baby, saying the first word, somebody has to be like, by the way, मेरा कुत्ता ना, वो भी बात कर रहा है आजकल.
Bro, you won't believe I've become like those annoying parents मालूम है, जैसे you give birth, obviously you know you've created this miracle, so you want to show ये देख ये हम मेरी बीवी ने बनाया, ये देख हमने बनाया, ऐसे दिखा रहा है। Nikita and I are doing the same thing, but with Banksy. Last Friday, there was the first time we have left him with my parents. 2 घंटे के लिए हम लोग थोड़ा, मेरा शो है, फिर डिनर पे जाना था, तो हम लोग बाहर गए। The entire night, wherever we are just ये क्यूट है ना, ये देख क्यूट है ना, ये कर रहे हैं, and you won't believe the level of parents we've become. The place shut and we were supposed to go for an after party. But we said no. We said no. We
घर पे
want to
बच्चा
go
है
back
हमारा।
home. ये वर्ड्स निकला रहे नहीं यार, मेरा बच्चा है ना घर पे, तो सब पापे के ऐसा देखते कि साले हमारे पास तो एक्चुअल ह्यूमन बेबी है, ऐसे नहीं लगे मेरा बच्चा है बहुत छोटा है, हमको
हाँ,
घर
लेकिन
जाना है। और भाग के घर से
तुम्हारा ह्यूमन बेबी तुम्हारा काउच खा नहीं जाएगा अगर तुम ज्यादा देर के लिए उसको अकेला छोड़ दिया तो.
Yeah, no, so which is why we're doing this episode on first. And while you're watching this episode, I think it would be a fun thing for you guys to do. Okay, we're going to be going through a lot of our first topics, etc., like topics about what our first were. So if you can think about your first about those topics too, then also write them in the comments. It'd be fun to kind of hear about what your first were.
Yeah.
तो
Or
start
just
करें
comment
first
first.
वाले से।
अच्छा, सीधा नीचे first लिख दो comment में. It doesn't matter
It is
if you're first or not.
it is the best episode for the people who like to be first. That even if you're 100, you can say first. अरे चल ना तू डाल first. हाँ.
Okay, चल first
तो
one?
list खोल.
हाँ, चल list.
First. Okay, so first question I want to ask you about the first is first movie that you cried in. You guys remember this?
Oh, I think
Lion King.
कुछ होता है.
I mean, I was crying before also, but that was not because of the movie. It's because I was 3 years old and I used to just cry for no reason. But I think I remember Lion King. I had cried. मेरे को बहुत ऐसे अंदर से फील हुआ पिक्चर. 1994 था ना Lion King. Yeah.
Dude, I have a vague memory. I don't know how true or not, but I think it was Border for me. I think
What?
it's Border.
You तो just Sunny Deol screaming at you and you're like, ये क्यों मेरे पे?
You're like uncle चिल्ला रहे हैं मुझे.
No, it was one of the deaths. I think Akshay Khanna or one of them. It was like
Of
you know
all
where
the people who you could have cried for, you cried for Akshay Khanna.
it's a very faint memory, but it's there.
But to be fair, in Border, you can't cry for Sunil Shetty because you're only love
Bye.
Shakti.
No, because also Akshay Khanna had that whole track with the mom and all. Na? It was like,
Ah,
hardcore.
अच्छा.
Oh.
अरे but leave movies you've cried in. What was the first movie you watched? ऐसे तेरे को है
First
क्या
movie.
memory? Like wherever, whether at home or in the theater, like because it's. I mean, we are 38 now, so for us to remember exactly chronologically what the first movie was might be tough. But
Yeah.
at least memory of watching a particular movie that's
देखिए
so
जो
fresh.
तू
It feels
38
like.
बोला है ना, बिकॉज कौतुक एंड आई वन स्टेप अवे फ्रॉम एडिंग अ चेन टू आवर चश्मा. कि ऐसे एक चेन भी.
And looking at your phone like this.
And not just looking at your phone like that, also sending thumbs up
Yeah.
to
Up.
everything.
अरे भाई वो तो मैं भेजता हूँ, मैं बहुत भेजता हूँ. आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड एक्नॉलेजिंग एवरीथिंग विद अ थम्स अप नाउ.
But that's sarcastic.
बट माय
क्या ठीक
फर्स्ट
है ठीक है क्या ठीक है.
फर्स्ट पिक्चर मेरे को
First
याद
movie?
है. I don't know why I just have Jurassic Park because I think it was Sterling. I was very young and I understood for the first time what watching a movie in the theater means. And before that I have no recollection. मतलब उसके पहले मेरे पास बस like बच्चे का memory है where there are photos of me with golden shoes dancing to, yeah, apparently I was on dining tables dancing to a Govinda song which was Aapke Aa Jaane Se. This is what my parents tell me. And there are just photos
Oh,
with me with a
That
gun and golden
I can
boots.
assure you, you were dressed up for this by Abu Abu.
Yeah, yeah,
This
yeah.
has Abu Abu written all over.
Golden
but
boots
one
चाहिए.
second, Thakur.
अभी लाते हैं तेरे लिए.
Why are you moving on from the fact that he was wearing golden shoes, standing on a table with a gun, dancing?
आपके
आपको
आ
आपके
जाने
आ
अच्छा.
जाने
से.
But आपके अचानक से गन क्यों?
अबे और कोई एक्सेसरी नहीं होता
Are
था
you
ना. You had to as a
are
child.
you a police wala who's celebrating a criminal that you have caught and you are now putting him into jail? That's why you're like आपके आ जा चला घाल अंदर है तू.
से.
But you
That's
know,
such a
तूने
great
तूने
image.
तूने Sterling Theatre बोला ना. So my mom, she used to work in a bank, Vijaya Bank, okay, and her bank was in town, and right above her bank in the same building was Excelsior Theatre. Okay, one of the
Hmm.
very famous theaters in Mumbai.
Hmm.
And because my mom was in the same Excelsior branch, she was friends with the owner.
हाँ.
So basically, whenever there was no nanny, penny, nothing, right? And it was my mom had to look after me that day. I would go to work with her because she had setting with the owner. She would come, she would be in the bank work, और मैं जाता था ऊपर बैठ के पिक्चर
Picture.
देखने.
इसका
The amount of
स्क्रीन टाइम तेरा कुछ और ही चल रहा है. यहाँ पे सब पेरेंट हो रहे हैं. We have to control the screen time for our child.
अरे
इसका
चल
इसका
कुछ
सिल्वर स्क्रीन टाइम चल रहा है.
ब्रो. और स्क्रीन टाइम प्लस समोसा प्लस सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक.
No.
और मैं बैठ के इतने पिक्चर देखा हूँ
Which do you
एक्सेलसियर में.
remember? Which do you remember? Like a few that you.
मैं खिलाड़ी तू
Oh.
अनाड़ी, which I was watching for the 10th time in the theater, by the way.
हाँ,
By the way,
मम्मी इज गोइंग
I have
एवरी
a-
डे ना. मम्मी तो जॉब पे रोज जा रही है. पिक्चर रोज बदल रही नहीं है. तो इसको रोज सेम पिक्चर बार बार.
मेरे को बायाट है वो पिक्चर. भाई मैं उल्टा बोल सकता हूँ तेरे को.
I have an Excelsior memory too.
हाँ.
So me and my family, we saw Josh at Excelsior. And the reason, oddly enough, I remember it is not for Josh, which was also memorable. But what I really remember it for is before the movie, we went to Excelsior Cafe. Or Cafe Excelsior, it was called, I think.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
उसके बाजू में था ना जो ईरानी
बाजू में
कैफे
था.
था.
हाँ, right opposite it. And they used to make this killer mayonnaise sandwich, which I remember, like, you know, and the movie watching experience was so different back in the day. Na? Like, you went as a family, you went there, फिर तू पहले कुछ उधर खा रहा है, फिर तू
Correct.
थिएटर में जा रहा है, फिर तू पिक्चर देख रहा है वगैरह. So we had those sandwiches. I remember going in and then seeing that. So yeah, Excelsior. Very
I don't
strong
know
memory
what
of
it is about a mayonnaise sandwich that just brings back these weird memories of like और कुछ खाने नहीं है तो mayonnaise
it-
sandwich.
I
My
think
stomach is feeling upset just
Yeah.
remembering the taste, which at that point was, oh wow, bro, this is
Because
amazing. Nah?
Bap, mayonnaise
then-
sandwich with ketchup. We are not having any form of anything that is nourishing in any way in that entire dish.
There is a reason that the mayonnaise sandwich was also called Jungli sandwich. But also, by the way, speaking of first movie, so I have again a vague memory, and also then backed up by my mother, who always reminds me about this. So
Huh.
one of the first movies I watched was some Amitabh Bachchan movie on TV. Okay, and because I'd watched that movie, I thought, being 3 or 4, I thought that Amitabh Bachchan's name was Vijay. So
Which is
any other
very
time,
normal यार. मैं भी like
yeah,
मुझे तो
yeah.
लगता था शाहरुख खान राहुल ही है. That's the
हाँ, और भाई का नाम प्रेम है.
No, exactly. So every time I'd see Amitabh in any other thing, I'd be like, Mom, Mom, Mummy, Mummy, Vijay Kumar, Vijay Kumar.
Vijay Kumar.
So she reminds me of this. So yeah, I think that was.
Bro, but as kids are so impressionable, I'd watched this one movie with Sanjay Dutt in it, I remember, and Reema
Vastav.
Lagu. Reema Lagu. Again, not Vastav, but and Reema Lagu famously, played
Moms.
mother to a
Mother.
lot of this.
हाँ.
Now, so there was some movie, I don't remember the name of the movie, but in the movie, her character slips off the cliff or something and falls. So that was stuck in my head that I remember seeing Reema Lagu, and in the movie, she fell off the cliff. Cut to this was our first like Goa trip as a family. ठीक है, East West Airlines होता था वो time पे. So we are at the airport and bang opposite us is sitting Reema Lagu, except her hand is in a sling.
Oh.
So I have gone up to my mom. I said, Mom, Auntie is in that movie and she has got hurt because I remember in the movie she fell off the cliff. So is that why she has got hurt? And my
It's like
mom
stunts.
has taken me to Reema Lagu. Excuse me, ma'am. Hi, this is my son. He feels that you're wearing the
And
sling
रीमा लागू
because
is
he
like
saw
आप
you.
इसको स्कूल नहीं भेजते? नहीं, थिएटर में बैठता है पूरा दिन.
No, but also like I love this logic ना कि जो पिक्चर में हुआ वो actually like it's a documentary कि वो लोग फिल्म कर रहे थे
हाँ,
और हिमालय को ऐसे flung
actually,
off a cliff.
नहीं, बट ये मैंने देखा था भाई. एक कोई थिएटर था तो देयर वाज अ मूवी. आई थिंक इट वाज अ तमिल और अ तेलुगु मूवी. एंड द विलन, ही इज हॉरिबल टू द लीड एक्ट्रेस, व्हिच इज द सीन व्हिच इज देयर. तो आफ्टर द मूवी इज डन क्या होता है, कभी कभी स्क्रीनिंग्स पे कास्ट आता है ना वापस, एंड द कास्ट कम्स एंड टेक्स अ बाव. सो एवरीबडी इज कम, इंक्लूडिंग द विलन, एंड वन लेडी हैज स्टूड अप एंड स्टार्टेड स्लैपिंग द गाय, द एक्टर who played the villain.
Oh
One second. So this
no.
clearly this woman is old enough. She's not a child, right? So she thinks this actor is this in real life.
हाँ, उनको लग रहा है बिग बॉस चल रहा था एंड they've just got a snippet of it.
That's a very interesting question though. Like, do you think like the people who specialize in villains, do you think their friends and family look at them differently?
No,
कि-
no, but their fans do because Joffrey, the guy, I forget the actor's name, who
हाँ.
played Joffrey in Game of Thrones,
हाँ.
the amount of hate, it was vile hate. And he's like, bro, मैं तो वो बीच में पढ़ने गया था ना, कॉलेज वॉलेज चले
हाँ.
गया था वापस, कुछ डिग्री विग्री करने. बोला कि भाई 2 साल गेम ऑफ थ्रोन नहीं लेना, अभी मेरे को डिग्री कंप्लीट करना है. तो people there would actually get like pissed off at him because he played that character so convincingly कि तू ऐसा ही है, ये
उसको
तू है.
he's gone to study, वो अपना पेपर लिख रहा है, the invigilator has come taken the pen away. The teacher is giving him bad marks.
Yeah.
के साले.
This
This
is
is
for
for
Ned
what you
Stark.
did to Ned Stark.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but I got 5 marks. Yes, Ned Stark को क्यों मारा? Ma'am, but okay, talking about celebrities, who was your first celebrity crush? You guys remember your first celebrity crush?
Oh God, I'm sure it's Bollywood. Like I can't
Yeah, no,
like.
of course. But I'll tell you, mine, usually would assume a celebrity crush, matlab, I would like some actress. My real, in a way, if you think of my first celebrity crush, somebody I was completely in awe of and I used to love was Akshay Kumar. I loved Akshay Kumar. Loved means, bro, मैंने एक्सेल शेयर में इतने अक्षय कुमार के पिक्चरें देखी है. आई रिमेम्बर मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी कल रिलीज हो रहा है फ्राइडे, थर्सडे नाइट. हमको मालूम है मैं, मॉम, डैड, करण, हम लोग जाने वाले पिक्चर देखने. मैं रात भर नहीं सोया हूं इन एक्साइटमेंट. I would try and emulate like in that one movie I saw, he was wearing shoes but they were your high tops. वो टाइम पे अपने को थोड़ी, हमने स्नीकर हेड थोड़ी थे वो टाइम पे, बट any shoe that even remotely resembled that I would do. I used to actually go to learn karate. और अक्षय कुमार तो फुल चलता बिलता कराटे क्लास था वो, राइट? तो पूरा उसको एम्युलेट करना. मैं खिलाड़ी तू अनाड़ी पे इतने बार डांस किया है ना, मैं और करण. ये जो बिल्डिंग फंक्शन होता है, एनुअल डे पार्टी, ये वो जो भी होता है ना बिल्डिंग में,
Yeah.
always I was obsessed with him. And then Hrithik came in 2000 and then
Yeah,
I
I
was
think
obsessed with
Hrithik,
him.
like if you're talking about that sort of thing, then yeah, like
No,
in
but
terms of
first,
Mania
फर्स्ट
was
वाला नहीं, वो तो मेनिया था. But like I think the first one for me, I think would have been like one of these like
Anu Malik.
Anu Malik. Sure, Anu Malik was
no,
was
no, no.
celebrity. No, but like I think actress, I think it would be like Like
Ravina
यार,
Tandon, I think.
रवीना टंडन, काजोल, like I think it's like I can't even remember how, like क्या हो गया इतना इतना मेरा क्रश चेंज हो गया बिकॉज कंट्री की तरह ना,
तू
बिकॉज आर
तू तू
नेशनल क्रश
38 साल का है
चेंज।
कि 60 साल का है?
पता नहीं यार क्या हमारे जमाने में रवीना टंडन।
Yeah, no,
आई
Ravina
थिंक
Tandon,
या
I think.
या
She was my favorite actress to see on screen.
अच्छा.
Um,
एंड एज अ 5 year old तेरे को एक्टिंग के बारे में तो बहुत कुछ मालूम है कि
हाँ
अरे
ऑफ
भाई क्या
कोर्स,
परफॉर्मेंस
लाइक
दिया है,
दिस इज
व्हाट
अ
no,
डायलॉग
बेटर,
not
डिलीवरी.
five. I
दिस
don't think like
thespian।
crush was not five. Like at
Not five.
5, you're not having any crush. I don't know. Wait, I didn't have a celebrity crush, but I at 5 I did like Rosie Miss, who was in
Yeah, no
एक्चुअली हाँ
shit.
हाँ, मेरे भी हाँ एक साइंस साइंस टीचर होती थी हाँ।
वो तो है ही,
so.
always. All right, guys, it's now time to take a quick segue G3 towards the sponsor of today's video, which is Head and Shoulders. Which is, funnily enough, the first shampoo that I bought on my own. क्योंकि उसके पहले मम्मी जाके शैम्पू लेके आती थी, but this was the first shampoo that I bought on my own.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, बिकॉज मोस्ट शैम्पूज यूज टू बी catered टू women, दिस वाज द फर्स्ट यूनिसेक्स शैम्पू, तो ये सब लोग के लिए था, which was great for us।
Bro, that and also me and all my guy friends, we all had this mortal fear of that white flaky dandruff on your black t-shirt. You remember that ad?
हाँ
It was
Yeah.
imprinted in our head कि तू डेट पे जा रहा है, पार्टी पे जा रहा है, कैसे भी जा, ये डैंड्रफ तेरे कंधे पे नहीं हो सकता है बॉस.
No, no, and Thakur, you saw it in the ad. I saw it in real life. क्योंकि मेरे कॉलेज में like there was this guy, okay, he had a severe dandruff problem and ironically loved wearing black t-shirts. Okay, so from time to time he would scratch his scalp, and every single time he did it, it would snow in Mumbai. Just white and flaky dandruff निकले जा रहा है, निकले जा रहा है. Crazy.
बेचारा.
but I have a fact, guys. Did you know that dandruff is not just white and flaky, it's also oily and sticky?
Oh, like dandruff के भी रूप बदल रहे हैं.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली भाई, ये ऑयली स्टिकी डैंड्रफ इज लाइक अ टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप, यू कांट जस्ट ऐसा ब्रश इट ऑफ, ये आता है वापस।
Bro, a lot of guys face this problem, by the way, and they don't know that the reason for this is the oily sticky dandruff. इसलिए उन लोग ऐसे खुजा रहे हैं बहुत.
Yeah, no, and I'm so. Can you imagine, like, from the perspective of the oily and sticky dandruff, like, it must be feeling so good to finally get some attention. Because all this while it was being overshadowed by its more famous white and flaky counterpart. But unfortunately for this dandruff, this attention is going to be very short-lived because the new Head and Shoulders Deep Cleanse has been formulated to tackle exactly this type of dandruff.
Yeah, and it does this with oxygenated charcoal that actually pulls the dandruff from your scalp and it does not let it come back, which is what you want.
Yeah, so finally there is a fix for dandruff that sticks. Yeah, guys,
Oh,
come
wow,
on.
wow,
So,
wow.
so if you or anyone you know is facing this problem, make sure you go check out and buy the new Head and Shoulders Deep Cleanse.
Also, write oxygenated charcoal in the comments, guys.
Thank you so much for sponsoring this video, Head and Shoulders. Let's get back to the episode right now.
What's your most vivid memory or your first most vivid memory about songs? Yeah, interesting.
Ah.
I have one very cringe one.
Bro, you remember this movie called Mora?
Yeah.
Again, because I was Akshay Kumar fanboy max. तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त तू चीज बड़ी है मस्त.
Yeah, all
Wow.
dance moves, rattled.
उसमें मैं अक्षय कुमार, मेरे कजिन को हम लोग रवीना टंडन बनाए, राइट. और उसमें मालूम है एक पार्ट है जिसमें पापा पनी नी ने ग ग ग
हाँ, हाँ,
ऐसा आगे
परेश
करता
रावल।
है परेश रावल, जो है मेरे डैड. Because if you look at my dad from a certain angle, he looks exactly like Paresh Rawal, bro, my dad.
God, I
So he
can't
would come
unsee
and he
this.
would do, yeah, look at Milind Thakur, he looks like Paresh Rawal. So
Hilarious.
then it became that where again जो भी बिल्डिंग में पार्टी चल रहा है, ओ रिपब्लिक डे पार्टी, चलो उस पे मैं डैड और मेरे कजिन पूजा.
काला चश्मा. Basically, he was Sukhbir. Akshay Kumar was
Yeah,
cosplaying as
yeah.
Sukhbir in the
Sukhbir.
song. I remember my first song that I genuinely remember is we were at Anu Uncle's house and he goes, I have recorded a song that is going to be a hit. And I'm like, thoda overconfidence. And he goes, this is the song. East or West, India is the best.
India is the
I
best.
heard this song before it, on the day that it was recorded. Like he's recorded it and he's come back home late at night because and get together tha and he showed up late because he was trying to finish this song somehow.
Wow.
Wow, bro. But if the lyrics of the sound like you were trying to finish the lyrics
Yeah.
very fast.
It's like, अरे घर पे पार्टी है,
कि जल्दी करो घर पे पार्टी में
गुलजार
क्या
साहब ने
नहीं पूछता
भेजा नहीं,
नहीं
अच्छा
ईस्ट
चल
और
मैं
वेस्ट
कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ.
ईस्ट और वेस्ट इंडिया इज द बेस्ट अरे कम ऑन बना दो इसको ट्रैक
Bro, one of the songs that I have this very vivid memory of really enjoying. Okay, so it was a Sonu Nigam song. Okay, when Sonu Nigam was, he was playback to कर ही रहा था, but like also he was
म्यूजिक
doing,
वीडियोस
album
म्यूजिक
album
yeah,
वीडियोस
phase, album phase.
लेट
yeah, yeah, yeah,
लेट
yeah,
लेट 90s लेट
late
90s
90s. So he had a song called Bijuria. Okay,
हाँ,
तिरछी
and I remember
निगाहें
the
मेरे
dance
दिल
step
पे
also it was
चढ़ाए
like,
रे
हाँ.
बिजुरिया बिजुरिया
so we had got a new music system. Okay,
हाँ.
and वो गाना था कुछ तो कैसेट था या तो सीडी था, I forget, but like कैसेट ही होगा. So I have played that song, I think, upwards of 15 to 20 times, and like completely just danced alone to that song. Okay, for that whole time.
Just waiting for your parents to leave the house.
No, my mother at some point has opened the door, seen it, and then shut the door. कि इसका कुछ चल रहा है. Like,
इसको
He's
इसको
discovering.
किताबें दो
He's
इसको किताबें
discovering
दो ये
himself.
क्या but
so, but the
that
thing is, sorry,
hmm.
just to complete that, and then what happened is years pass, I forget the song because it didn't become like Duba Duba or something, right? It just kind of like
हाँ.
faded away. So years later, I was telling Siddhi about this. I was like, yeah, there was this song that I really liked. And I was humming it, and she's like, "Oh, I know which one you're talking about." And she
हाँ.
found it on Spotify, and after I think 20 or whatever years that I heard it, like the blast that you get of, oh shit, ye cheese again. Oh, I got
So now the same
transported.
thing happened the other day. Siddhi came home, opened the door, and saw Kautuk Bijuriya,
Bijuriya.
Bijuriya, and then she just shut
And
the door,
just,
called Kautuk's mom. इसका अभी तक चल रहा है यही.
आंटी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है.
Yeah, it was crazy. Sorry, what were you saying, Thakur?
No, I'm saying like for us, like growing up in the 90s, that तेरे घर पे जो सुन रहा है ठीक है, but उसके अलावा there used to be a show on ZTV called Philips Top 10. I
Yeah.
know it because I know it with the sponsor that sponsored that show. Okay, which used to come every Wednesday or Thursday, either of the two, शाम को 7 बजे, where they would do a reverse countdown 10 to 1 of all the best songs currently from the movies and all that are playing. And literally, like, between me and my parents, we would have this competition that उनको जो गाना पसंद है वो आएगा नंबर 1 पे, कि जो मुझे गाना अच्छा लगा वो. ये एक्चुअली हम लोग घर पे बैठ के करते थे ब्रो. इतना लैक ऑफ
This is what
entertainment
KBC
options
this
था.
is what KBC captured ना. It's like ये तो ऐसे ही लड़ रहे हैं, तो might as well just give them actual trivia questions.
No, and so along with this culture, there was also the culture of radio shows, right? Where you could call in and request a song or whatever. Bro, I have called, I think, so this was all just starting when I was that young. So Radio Mirchi had just come up and all of that stuff. So I would call that number constantly. I think a lot of people have not gotten through because the number was busy because I was calling.
But dude, this calling in thing used to work because I used to always try and get on MTV Select, right? Because you're watching it in the evening. We were still late school, early college, between the thing ना. कभी नहीं लिया, कभी नहीं. मेरा कॉल कभी गया ही नहीं. After I grew up that I realized भाई ये पहले से प्लान किया हुआ होता है. They know who's going to call. Very seldom do you have like actual on the spot new callers calling in as you're watching. It's all pre-recorded in a way. But there was a channel called Hangama. ठीक है. So उसमें उन्होंने competition रखा था, where it's like a trivia thing only, where this is the first time I came on TV. I'm telling you the story of how I came on TV. तो ये हंगामा का हम लोग का एक शो चल रहा था, and my मासी and I used to both love watching this one particular show. उसके end में एक quiz question था, उसका तुमने right answer दिया तो तुम जीते and you can be on हंगामा and all of that. So my मासी put an answer for both me and her, और मैं जीत गया. ठीक है. So then suddenly one day, for the first time in my life, I have seen a camera crew come to my house.
Oh shit, अच्छा इतना
elaborate bro. So they've come, my mom's come back home from work, she's wondering ये कैमरा फैमरा किधर जा रहा है, देखा तो उसके घर पे आ रहा है. And then we've all come and they had announced me as the winner of
मम्मी ने
this.
बोला आज सफाई नहीं किया था, ये साले ने कैमरा बुलवा दिया.
नहीं, so all I had to do was like say, hey हंगामा कि मैं जीत गया and all of that. Yes. So वो था मेरा first TV appearance, guys.
Wow. Okay, moving on to the next first. Do you guys remember the first lie you were caught in?
Yes.
Yes.
You do?
Yes. I mean, this was okay. Either you go first.
मेरा तो घर के अंदर एक शू रैक होता था, वे आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई रिमेम्बर दिस सो विविडली। घर दरवाजा खोलते ही शू रैक होता था, और वहां पे मैंने अपना एक एक डिक्टेशन की कॉपी होती थी, वे देयर वाज अ बुक व्हिच वाज जस्ट अ डिक्टेशन बुक, सो एवरी डे देयर वुड बी
Dictation.
अ
Yeah.
10 मार्क डिक्टेशन होता था उसमें, डिक्टेशन टेस्ट। तो एक टेस्ट में मेरे को 2 on 10 आया था, एंड मैंने वो कॉपी जाके सीधा जूतों के ऊपर ऐसे दबा के, जो एक एक सेक्शन होता है ना जूतों के कैबिनेट में, वेयर देयर आर शूज दैट आर नेवर यूज्ड, उसमें घुसा
Yeah.
के डाल दिया है। एंड फॉर सम रीजन माय मदर वांटेड टू रिमूव वन चप्पल फ्रॉम देयर दैट डे, और ये निकला
Oh
है
my
कॉपी।
God.
Bust.
Oh
Bust.
भारी
man.
बस्ट और मार हैंगर सीधा।
अरे मारा मारी तो ब्रो मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था, तो मेरे स्कूल में वी यूज्ड टू गेट लंच इन स्कूल.
हाँ।
So your fees included lunch and then tea time break में snack plus this was included.
हम्म।
But as is the case with most kids, right? Like if you're going to give me that boring lunch every week on week, I'm going to get fried. And like
हम्म।
unlike other like some of my other friends, you know, their parents would make some dabba papa and all. Both my parents are working. They don't have the time. They're going to go to work. They're like, भाई तू चुपचाप तेरा पैसा बना तू स्कूल में जाके खा. तो मैं करता था डैड के वॉलेट से पैसे चोरी.
Oh.
हाँ, सीधा लिया. And you know, I spent like a good amount of years in my life just assuming that my dad is dumb, that he doesn't realize when money just keeps going. Many years later, he had told me, he said, भाई तेरे को क्या लगता है कि ये जो बचपन में तू मेरे वॉलेट से एक दिन 50 रुपया गायब हो रहा है, एक दिन 100 रुपया गायब हो रहा है, एक बार 500 भी ले लिया तूने much later. He said, you thought I didn't know. I know it very much. Anyway, point is,
And then he
स्कूल
just
के टाइम पे I didn't.
he just serves you a bill. Here is a 5 lakh rupee bill of all
No,
plus interest.
नहीं, बट ये कैसे हुआ था दैट मेरे को स्कूल के मेस में लंच नहीं खाना था, ठीक है, तो मैंने किए पैसे चोरी. एंड देयर यूज्ड टू बी अनदर कैंटीन बिकॉज वी यूज्ड टू हैव लाइक अ क्रिकेट ग्राउंड, टेनिस ग्राउंड एक्सेट्रा. तो उसका एक सेपरेट कैंटीन होता था जहां पर मिलती थी द मोस्ट बैंगिंग अंडा भुर्जी विद पाव. ओ हो ब्रो, मैं अभी बात कर रहा हूँ मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, ठीक
But
है.
that is a healthier
तो
meal than the canteen ka khana that you could have, which was mostly vada pav.
यस बट यू हैड नो कैंटीन का खाना हम लोग को प्रॉपर रोटी सब्जी दाल चावल
Ah, अच्छा
न्यूट्रिशियस
वैसा।
मील मिलता था. लेकिन एज अ किड यू आर बोर्ड ऑफ दैट, मैं ये नहीं खाऊंगा, मुझे कुछ अलग खाना है. तो हम लोग पैसे चोरी करके गए खाए, और मैंने ये ना 2-3 दिन किया. एक दिन हम लोग बैठे घर पे, डैड आके बोलते कि क्या यू नॉट बीन ईटिंग लंच इन स्कूल. तो तो सडनली ऐसे कन्फ्रंट कर दिया ना, तो मैं थोड़ा मैं लेकिन मैं मगर तो मैं आकाश के यहाँ वैसा हो गया एकदम, ठीक है.
You were
तो मैंने बोला
daya slapped basically.
daya slap.
Metaphorical daya slap.
So I said no dad, I've been eating in school. He said, oh, what was for lunch yesterday? और मैं एकदम कंफ्यूज कि क्या चना it was chana. Are you sure? I said yeah, I'm sure. I'm giving you one last chance. Are you sure?
Oh
I
shit.
said yes. He gave me all opportunities to come out clean and say, Dad, sorry, मैंने नहीं खाया. But मैं झूठ पे झूठ.
But how could he know?
Yes, exactly. So he said no. Firstly, lunch was whatever gobi phobi, whatever else it was, and you've not eaten in your school this for the last 3 days, and I know it
क्योंकि
because
मैं
I
कैंटीन
spoke
में
to.
खाना बना रहा था 3 दिन से।
So he said, I know it because I spoke to Tukaram.
Oh.
और मैं बोल रहा हूँ कौन है तुकाराम. आई हैव नो आइडिया तुकाराम इज, बट उधर जो लोग काम करते हैं उसमें से एक तुकाराम होगा. तो मैं बोला ओ डैड आई एम वेरी सॉरी, वो तुकाराम टोल्ड मी यू नॉट कम फॉर 3 days एंड यू बीन ईटिंग इन द थिंग. फिर मैंने एक्चुअली हाँ बोल दिया, तो पड़ी एक कान के नीचे.
You got daya slapped later.
लेटर एक्चुअल दया स्लैप. और फिर अगले दिन मैंने स्कूल में जाके फैला दिया कि गाइस अपने को ये तुकाराम को पकड़ने का, ये ही इज राइटिंग ऑन अस. तुकाराम कौन है ढूंढो. तो हम
Snitches.
पूरे सब हुआ जी स्निचेस. तो हम लोग गए कैंटीन में कि तुकाराम को ढूंढने गए, कोई तुकाराम नहीं है. माय डैड जस्ट ब्लफ्ड और मैं पपल गया. और हाँ या एक्चुअली आई डिडंट गो, ये वो.
अबे।
डैड ने खेला लंबा
But how did he
गेम.
know 3 days?
मटका
But how did he know 3 days?
मटका.
Oof.
आई थिंक तू ज्यादा पैसा
मटका.
निकाल रहा था, बिकॉज आई थिंक कैंटीन का खाना सस्ता होगा और अंडा पाव महंगा होगा, तो you must
अंडा
he
पाव
must have seen
महंगा है
an
और
increment in his stolen
कैंटीन का
money.
खाने का पैसा दे दिया है ना ऑलरेडी, जो स्कूल के मेस का पैसा है वो दे दिया है ऑलरेडी. यू डोंट हैव टू पे ईच टाइम यू
Okay,
ईट.
okay. नहीं, मेरे कैंटीन में you have to pay every time you eat.
तो ये डैड ने इसे ब्लफ मारा है भाई.
Hmm.
और ब्लफ में चीजें हैव फॉलन इनटू प्लेस एंड देयर इज नो
Oof.
तुकाराम. गाइस कमेंट देयर इज नो तुकाराम.
There is no tukar. Justice for Varun Thakur.
Oh, by the way, okay, staying in this zone, do you guys remember your first fight in school?
I remember fighting with
This.
somebody from school, but building में लड़ाई हुई थी. क्या स्कूल में कुछ चालू हुआ था fight, and that fight kept moving to the ऐसे बस से फिर बिल्डिंग में फिर क्रिकेट पे, and ultimately it ended in a very bad way where इसने मेरे को धक्का मारा and I grabbed him and I swung him and his head hit a wall.
Oh man.
ओह,
अब मेरी पड़ गई, बट ये उठ
अभी
गया.
तू
Like,
aggressive
Yeah,
है.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Dude,
Bro.
so I don't know if I've told this story, but what in case I haven't, then here's worth repeating. So I was in
Yeah.
junior KG or something, senior KG maybe, senior KG. So I'm in this class, and in senior KG they make you do activities, right? Here's a group of 5 kids. Now all of you sit together and you do some craft and stuff like that. So we're doing this thing, and there was this guy sitting beside me. I can't remember now what it was, but we got into this crazy fight. Okay, लड़ रहे हैं ये वो. I got really angry and I opened this Joker gum.
हाँ
Okay.
हाँ हाँ.
Oh, bro,
Joker
that
gum.
maroon color, the maroon
Yeah.
color.
Yeah. I opened Joker gum, scooped out a little bit and flung it at. Okay, now this Joker gum has straight gone. I was aiming for his face, तो इसकी
Oh.
आंख में चला
आग
गया.
के अंदर.
Okay,
और अभी
आंख
तेरा
में
दोस्त
गया.
ऐसे ऐसा चल रहा है अभी पूरा दिन.
नहीं,
अबे
नहीं.
इतना वो स्ट्रांग नहीं था गम. वो गम I shouldn't-
So and like exactly what Adar was saying, na? Like, you know, when you're that young, no emotional regulation. So you are rage, meaning you are rage. So without thinking, I've done this. उसके आँख में चला गया. Suddenly, after that happens, then suddenly from rage to repentance.
Yeah,
Hmm.
straight rage remorse का जो switch होता है, there's no gray area.
Nothing. So I've freaked out, flipped. Because he's also, अरे आँख में चला गया. Teacher has come, आँख में चला गया. क्या किया ये वो. तो वो भी रो रहा है, मैं भी रो रहा हूँ. Okay. So finally, तो
तू
दोनों
भी
रो
अपने
रहे हैं.
आँख में गम डाल रहा है. मेरे आँख में भी गम गया.
So both of us are crying. Okay. So then gone home, said all of this. Parents have said, okay, go the next day apologize. Okay, I'm like, I'm sorry, I threw Joker gum in your eyes.
And then you glued your relationship together.
Dude,
Bro.
and then he said, I'm sorry, I did this thing. And we ended up being the closest friends for the entirety of the time that I was in that school.
Oh, cute.
I
Thanks
became
to
best
Joker gum.
friends. Yeah,
Joker gum.
dude. जोड़े
Sticking
दोस्तों को
relationships, sticking friendships together.
जोड़े आपके eyelids और आपकी दोस्ती. Bro, you know this rage to remorse you were saying na school fights में. So I don't remember my first fight, but I remember watching this one fight that forever has been imprinted in my head. Because when you're in school, 3rd, 4th standard, WWF at that point. अरे भाई सब लोग देख रहे हैं, तो you have to, even though the disclaimer says don't try this at home.
Sorry, 1 second. When you said WWF, I'd like to revise my first crush answer to all of the female wrestlers.
Oh, yes.
All of that was my actual first crush. Thanks for please go.
So the disclaimer says do not do it at home, which means pretty much anybody who is at that age is going to do it at home, in school or whatever. तो हम लोग का लंच ब्रेक है और वो टाइम पे सब रेसलर बन जाते हैं. ठीक है, अभी एक आधे घंटे के लिए मैं ट्रिपल एच, तू अंडरटेकर, तू बिग शो, तू ये, और you can't just say that you are that person, right? You need to be able to do their finisher moves, right? So one guy was Triple H. उसको सब लोग ने चढ़ाया कि अरे तू ट्रिपल एच है, तू कुछ ट्रिपल एच जैसे कर रहा नहीं है. तो not thinking, this guy turned around. He was fighting with this other dude, okay, whose name was Siddesh. इसने सिद्धेश को ठाप मारा है, बैंड पकड़ा है और दे दिया है पेडिग्री. Except, unlike the actual Triple H, they don't have cushioned rings and a stage or whatever, right? He's done it on straight up concrete, bro. So this dude has been pedigreed by another guy in a school fight on concrete. And then this guy had gotten up और वहां से खून निकल रहा है.
Oh
I
God.
never, मैं देख रहा हूँ उसको खून निकल रहा है जो ट्रिपल एच बना था, जो ट्रिपल एच बना,
उसके
वो
आंसू.
इतना उसके अंदर से पूरा जितना भी ये है ना पूरा, ब्रो ही वाज जस्ट लाइक एक मिनट मैंने क्या कर दिया है.
Yeah.
भाग गया, भाग गया, भाग गया. मतलब किधर जाएगा तू? तू फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में कहाँ जाएगा तू?
Oh
But-
man.
Oh God, and dude, and some teachers came running. Like, what has happened? Now you are still fourth standard, right?
Yeah.
You're going to say, ma'am, he was Triple H and he was being Undertaker, and then he gave him a pedigree. और teacher ऐसा देख रही है कि what the hell does any of this mean? What do you mean he gave him a pedigree?
उसको
That's
बोला
not how
उसको
you
बोला
use
मैं
pedigree
देखती
in
हूँ
a
अभी
sentence.
समर स्लैम.
पेडिग्री.
हाँ,
It's like ये तो अभी तक डिक्टेशन में आया भी नहीं है. तुम लोग ये
आया
words
ही
पता
नहीं
है
है.
कैसे? मैंने सिखाए नहीं है तुम लोग को ये वर्ड्स.
Dude, this WWE in school and all, na, horrible situation this was. Like even
Yeah.
in our school, like because it's not enough. It's really not
The
enough.
thing
Like
is,
you cannot state
हम लोग
it.
का better होता था because I don't know how this was in our school. There was perpetually wraith and cement lying around in a corner of the school, like because the school is
Yeah.
perpetually under construction. तो वहाँ
हाँ.
पे
Were you in
जो
Gurgaon?
नहीं,
हाँ,
तो
but you are in that
सारा
year
लड़ाई
where they
वहां
get
पे होता था.
elected.
ग्रेवल एंड सीमेंट एंड ऐसे. हाँ, तो मिट्टी बस उस पे जाके जो लंच में, एंड इट्स लाइक एवरीबॉडी शोना प्रॉपर, एंड देन तब तक सफेद का ग्रे हो चुका है सब कुछ.
Yeah,
By
yeah.
the way, sorry, I need to tell you this about Triple H. I
हाँ.
recently saw this, bro, and it's so crazy. So Triple H is wearing a suit. Okay, recent video. Okay, he's wearing a suit. He walks out of a door, takes a bottle of water, takes a sip, and then does his classic. Okay, blows the water out. Now I'm like, okay, interesting that he's still doing this. Then I see which account has shared it. You know which account had shared this video? You won't
Triple
believe
H.
it. The White House.
Oh wow.
Oh, no.
What?
The White House.
Oh yeah,
पे
because Triple H, yeah, he said that he's with the, yeah. He endorsed Trump,
No,
yeah.
And the thing is, it was so like my mind couldn't process कि अच्छा अभी आजकल व्हाइट हाउस का पहले इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट है और फिर उस इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पे अब मैं ट्रिपल एच को ये करते हुए देख रहा हूँ. Cool.
Wow, bro.
भाई हल्क
Bro,
हॉगन,
ये
हल्क हॉगन का देखा तुम लोग ने?
he died ना?
He passed away.
Yeah.
हल्का
Dude,
भी
it's like it's an entire, like, I don't know, a lot of people who are watching wrestling now don't understand what Hulk Hogan was for us.
He built wrestling. He built
Yeah.
like there was like Hulkamania was wrestling.
Hmm.
Okay, next, ready? Let's talk about
फर्स्ट ईमेल आईडी. चल ये बता, ये मेरे दिमाग में आया. फर्स्ट ईमेल आईडी क्या था तुम्हारा, तुमको याद है?
एक तो मसल मैन था हमारा, which has been
28.
there for years. I got
Mine
my
was-
full name.
Oh, interesting.
No, you're
didn't
talking
even
about
attempt
when
to
we
get
had
my full name.
Hotmail. When we had
Yeah.
Hotmail.
I always
And the
had
first
Adar
time
Malik. I always got it available because Adar
Oh,
Malik
चल
as a
बे, झूठ-
combination. अभी भी
झूठ
मेरा,
बोल
like,
रहा है.
it's like the easiest way for me to get my
बात
own
बात
name.
मिलने की नहीं है.
हाँ.
It's the first time when you were introduced to the concept of an email.
Why would
At
you
that
want
point
your
of time, nobody
हाँ.
will write their own name like Varun Thakur at hotmail.com. नहीं, you'll put your name, but there'll always be an adjective or your favorite character or something. So, guys, mine was I feel very bad, and I had it for quite some time. Okay. And unironically, Smarty _
ये तो था, हाँ, ये मुझे याद है.
at hotmail.com, bro. Hotmail.com. I won't believe.
Have you deleted this, or can people still send you mails
Send
which you will never
email.
read?
Hack it.
Actually, मेरा था another at another.
Now it comes
UN,
in.
yeah, another at Hotmail.
I still refuse to believe it. अदर इतना तेरे पास
Another.
prowess था ही नहीं. Another at gmail.com या Hotmail की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Mine,
I'm talking about back in the day.
yeah, mine was Real Madrid _ K, which I was very happy to get.
अच्छा,
because
तेरा
I was like,
रियल तब से चल रहा है, this love
हाँ,
affair.
तब से. जो 2003 से जैसे ही Beckham गया वहाँ, I was like Real Madrid आज से.
तब से चल रहा है.
Yeah. So I was I was amazed because I was like, dude, in the whole world, there must be so many Madrid fans, yeah. How did Real Madrid underscore K not get taken? But
Ah.
it did eventually. Horrible. I kept it for way too long, way past its sell-by date. Do you guys remember ever? Did you ever write a love letter to anybody?
No, more than that, I would have the slam books. Slam
Slam
books.
books
Yeah, the
used to be
slam
a
books. It
thing.
was a big, and slam book was the way to find out, if the girl you have a crush on likes you or not, right? So it's
What
basis
she's
what her
written in
answers
your
would
slam
be.
book. Yeah.
और if you want to profess or confess your love to her, you would do it via that. तो मैंने एक लड़की थी जिसपे मुझे बहुत क्रश था और उसने दे दी मुझे अपनी स्लैम बुक और उसमें था few words for me.
Will you be my
लिखा है,
girlfriend?
मैंने लिखा है quit playing games with my heart.
Oh.
Oh,
It was now in hindsight cringe max, and I'm
In
pretty sure the
hindsight,
time I'd
I
written that.
like in hindsight.
Bro, at that time it felt like wow bro, मैंने यार लिख दिया है.
yeah.
12 साल 11 साल
क्या
क्या
तो
था यार
चतुर
तभी.
है, कितना स्मार्टी है ये
क्या
लड़का.
क्या लिख दिया है. And I'm pretty sure the time that I wrote this, I was trying to mimic Nick Carter's hairstyle. So middle parting.
which was more
Bro,
तेरे नाम than Nick Carter. It was Radhe Bhaiya.
it was more Nick Carter Road.
Yeah. Oh man, quit playing games with my heart.
Yeah, bro, galat.
I
First time all bunk school. Acha, sorry, you finish yours first. Love
Yeah.
letter.
no, I
लिखा?
think I had slipped a note into this girl who I liked. I slipped it into a bag. उसको मिला ही नहीं.
बिकॉज स्टूडेंट्स के बैग में पता है कितना कचरा होता है. तो दैट्स द वर्स्ट प्लेस.
उसको 12 साल बाद मिला होगा ब्रो उसके अंदर.
नहीं,
Oh
He
my
loves
god,
me.
my life could have been so different.
and classic writer looking for validation, right? So like as a writer you write something and you expect कि दूसरा बंदा तेरे को बोले अरे wow how you wrote.
What?
So I'm waiting, right? I'm waiting one day, nothing happens. Then also like I mean there'll be some reaction, right? Something like yes, no, so whatever, liked it, like nothing. Second day nothing. Third day finally I go like, listen, did you find a note in your bag? There was a
And she's
note.
like, who are you? Which class are you in? I'm Kautuk. What is that? What is that? I am that. Okay. All right, please. Next.
तो क्या फिर हुआ क्या?
मिला नोट
उसने लेफ्ट
और
स्वाइप
अच्छा
किया.
लगा उसको.
अच्छा लगा. तो तूने उसको अपने सामने खोलवा के बोला पढ़ मेरे सामने एंड
It
give
was
me feedback. Your feedback is appreciated.
quite it's such a horrible instinct to be like नहीं मैंने एफर्ट डाला लिखने में तो थोड़ा पढ़ लो तो.
Dude, I could never write. I can't imagine writing and putting yourself out there to like at that age. ये तो मेरी फट जाती है. I've not written anything
No,
like
I was
this.
like I was 14 15.
That's
Still,
still quite old. You're
Yeah.
not 15 साल का है.
मेरे से नहीं, not at 50. I couldn't do it. I don't think so.
Yeah.
तुम लोग कभी बंक किए थे क्या? First time you bunk school? Because that feeling, by the way, that feeling of bunking school and doing something wrong for the first time is so cool. I'll
Right.
never forget. And for me,
So
the
guys,
reason
if you're
also
here
was
listening, anybody who's in school right now, bunk once and you'll know because Varun Thakur says it's cool.
Dude,
अरे
one
bro,
second, one second.
अरे it's the
If-
feeling you got. कि अरे
if
wow,
there is-
look at.
If there is
I've
a
done-
guy who is in school right now and you have gotten past bijuria and all of that stuff, then props to you. I mean, I don't know why you're listening, but amazing.
No, so I'll tell you, this was India Australia का टेस्ट सीरीज चालू था, ठीक है, and I was what 9th standard or something, और इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया का टेस्ट मैच चालू है, एंड सडनली हम लोग को मालूम पड़ा कि हम लोग के दोस्त के पास टिकट्स है. सो इज लाइक बॉयज अपन जा सकते हैं, बट टेस्ट मैच थोड़ी शाम को स्कूल के बाद जाएंगे देखने, बाय देन इट विल गेट ओवर. So we have finished cricket practice in the morning, after which you would go change and then go to school. हम लोग 6 लोग बोले कल्टी गए, स्कूल का कपड़ा पहना, बैठे, ट्रेन स्टेशन गए, स्टेशन से गए वानखेड़े में जाके मैच देखा, मैच देख के टाइम पे वापस भी आ गए. ऑल द वाइल nobody has figured out ki where we are, except suddenly they see these 8 people. Usually these people go for cricket and they come and all 8 of them are not there. So one
And why is their
overactive.
face painted with the Indian tricolor?
नहीं हम लोग स्कूल नहीं गए ना. We
हाँ, अच्छा.
we came back. We just waited to where the buses take you home. So we've been there in the morning. मैच देख के वापस आए, बस में बैठे और ऐसे घर पहुंचे जैसे कि कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. Full जेसन बॉर्न ब्रो. लेकिन
Jason Bourne. एक second. You're comparing an international spy who works for the CIA to you bunking school and going to watch a match in Wankhede.
Yeah,
ये
school
Jason
bro,
Bourne.
13, 14 years old. For that was Jason Bourne level. But one
अच्छा.
overactive teacher has figured out कि अरे 8 लोग नहीं है, तो she has asked the PT teacher, अरे आपको मालूम है क्रिकेट वाले लड़के स्कूल क्यों नहीं आए, ये वो. And then they have spoken to our coach saying, hey, these kids came for this, now how come they were not in? And then he said, no, they came for this. They in fact even changed in front of me. फिर भांडा फूटा है. तो हमने जाके टीचर को बोला कि प्लीज भाई तू क्यों एसीबी प्रद्युमन बन के साला हमारे अंदर पूरा घुस गया है, तू जाने दे ना, हमको छोड़ दे, माफ कर दे, इसके बाद नहीं करेंगे.
और टीचर ने कुछ बताया नहीं. But then Varun got home and then his father is like, तू आज स्कूल नहीं गया था? तुकाराम का मुझे फोन आया था.
तो बोल रहा था कि तू. Okay, I got to ask you this. Do you guys remember your like the first nicknames that you had?
For me, my mom used to like, so she used to call me Varzi, Varzee. Karan was Karzi, and my dad was Milzi. I don't know, for some reason she would.
Karzi, Varzi, Milzi.
Karzi is the only one that has a completely different meaning. It's like, and the fact that your mother is
You
a
owe
banker,
me, man.
and the fact that your mother is a banker.
Yeah, mine was to shit. I think I must have mentioned this at some point. I think we must have mentioned a lot of these stories at some point.
No, we haven't. A lot of them are very, very.
Yeah.
So, in like, imagine, so I had two moments. Okay, both shaped my nicknames. एक जब वास्तव निकला तो वास्तव.
Oh, because Srivastav.
Straight people were like Vastav. Okay, the second one was when I was in 4th standard, I think it was, and
I love that if there was roll call in your house, in your school, it's Kautuk present. Yours is just Vastav. It's just.
So a 4th standard history teacher is teaching. Okay, Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta Maurya had an advisor. His name was Chanakya, but he was also called Kautilya. And it felt to me as if, okay, the whole class has just gone,
Nah. You have been rechristened, my friend.
Like, I just saw all their heads turning, Kautilya! And so I was Kautilya for that whole year that I was in that class. And then thankfully, I think that's why they shuffle the class the next year. So that your nickname doesn't stick. So yeah, Kautilya was, I think, one of my...
मेरा mom dad used to just call me Adar only. But school में there are names not another. But school में there are names which I can't repeat on the podcast. Adar के इतने combination बन चुके हैं भाई. That's how I learned how to songwrite. Because I learned how to rhyme.
Yeah, exactly. You might have any nickname, but what your guy friends called you in school, is the nickname. It's not even a nickname. It's just an insult. Straight up insult.
मेरा तो गाली है. मेरा सीधा गाली. Just
it's said in form
मम्मी मेरे को पिकअप करने आ रही है. लोग बोले अरे just मम्मी बोले why are they angry at you? Are these not your friends?
And you're like, Mommy, just
chill, just be cool, mom, just be cool. This is cool. अच्छा, मुझे अपना email address याद आ गया, guys.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
It was Adarado at Hotmail.
Adarado?
I don't know
like
why. No, I think it was it was a play on Ninja Turtles का कुछ the Donatello, Michelangelo. I used to be Michelangelo with my friends.
Leonardo, no? It must have been.
नहीं, Michelangelo. I was always the funny guy.
So then तू कैसे Adarado?
अरे भाई तू मुझे बोल रहा है कि that 8-year-old 9-year-old kid who's coming up with an email address.
Wow, you had an email at 9.
At 9?
हाँ तभी था ना Hotmail MSN ये था ना उस time.
How was
not at 9, maybe 12. 98,
I have-
I'm
99.
mistake. I'm mistake.
I think it was I got internet. I was on the internet when I was 13. So
This
seven,
conversation started with chashma holders, and now Kautuk sitting here looking out the window going, I think I
yeah, I
got
was,
internet when I
no,
was.
I was because I have such crazy vivid memories of Yahoo Messenger. I swear to God, like that Yahoo icon
Yeah.
coming online and
This,
offline. I think
those two people
it's
hugging.
ASL.
Huh.
yeah,
ASL.
dude. Like I think it's like a warm bath of nostalgia for me every time if I think about that particular.
Hmm.
Okay. Do you remember Orkut to ठीक है. Um, absurd ones. Let's try some absurd ones.
Okay.
Okay. Have you ever been like? Did you ever get lost? Do you remember this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is why I've decided that I'm going to chip my dog and my future kids whenever they happen. Because I have this vivid memory, Santa Cruz में एक कोई मार्केट था और उसमें हम लोग सब लोग गए थे और तो हाथ पकड़े चलता है, then you get distracted by some stupid thing, parents were distracted, ये वो कुछ तो करके bro for 10 minutes I had gotten lost for 10 minutes. But those 10 minutes, that fright of एक minute कहाँ है, that it just comes immediately rushing back.
Yeah.
Immediately, and it's not like मैं ही चला गया, पेरेंट्स के साथ था, they assume ना कि अभी दुकान में तो साथ में, and then as a child you get distracted, अरे आइसक्रीम, अरे चले गया, अरे उधर कुछ कार्टून या कुछ चल रहा है कोई इसमें, उधर चले गया. Luckily obviously I was found, but those 10 minutes, scariest 10 minutes. You're just like भाई ये नहीं हो पाएगा, अकेले तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
बट मिलने के
चाहिए
बाद
मम्मी
तुझे
पापा.
डांट पड़ा था क्या? देखिए एक
It
तो
was a combination. It was a combination of
Relief
डांट
and
and also तो पहला is कि अरे मिल गया,
hug. हाँ.
और फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा ये हुआ, फिर जब भी क्या भाई किधर तो क्यों
How
क्यों गया,
dare you?
हाँ तो था ना. वो तो
yeah.
हो गई.
Combination of both. Yeah, correct.
You need combination of both ना, because it was my fault, I just started walking away.
I saw a video like this where there's a guy who was trying to shoot reels or something and he fell, like वो अपने rooftop पे कुछ बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा था and he slipped. So then the cops have come to save him. तो वो लटक रहा है and the cops have मतलब properly, like it's like a proper rescue, खींच खींच के उसको निकाला है and it's 4 cops picking this guy up and जैसे ही उसको ledge के ऊपर निकाला है पकड़ के मार. It's like that is what happens. Like I got lost because मेरे को गाड़ी में छोड़ा था और सब लोग बोला अब आ रहा है तो मार्केट. मैं बोला नहीं मैं थका हूँ. सब लोग गए मार्केट अक्रॉस द रोड. ना आई सी देम गो अक्रॉस द रोड. नानू नानी सब लोग गए साथ में. आई एम सिटिंग देयर यार. अभी बोर हो गया मैं. फोन था नहीं, कुछ नहीं था. तो मैं सोचा चल ठीक है, आई विल ऑल्सो गो अक्रॉस द रोड बट आई डोंट नो हाउ टू क्रॉस द रोड. आई एम दैट स्मॉल. तो एक वो साइकिल वाला रिक्शा वाला है. तो इससे मैंने बोला मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मुझे रोड पार करा दो. तो ये मैं बैठ गया हूँ और ये मुझे रोड पार करा रहा है और मुझे पीछे से आवाज आती है मेरे नानू की एंड yanks मी ऑफ द रिक्शा. एंड देन घर पे एक ऐसा पूरा राउंड कॉन्फ्रेंस होता है वेर एवरीबडी इज मेकिंग मी सिट इन द सेंटर एंड टेकिंग टर्न्स अबाउट एक्सप्लेनिंग हाउ हॉरिबल व्हाट आई वाज अबाउट टू डू वाज.
I don't think I ever got like lost, but Siddhi had a story where she was lost for a small period of time, like Thakur. So this was at Juhu Beach. So we were at Juhu Beach. She got separated from the family. Something happened. Okay, she wandered off. Very small. Wanders off. Suddenly cannot see parents, right? Because like kids have this like they're in their own world. Ha 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 ha. Walking. Turn around. Parents are not there. Suddenly, awash in panic, she starts crying. Okay, she's crying. Okay, so thankfully at that point in time at Juhu Beach, okay, anybody could have found her. But it just so happened that the people who actually came up to her and saw this crying child came up to her happened to be college students who had bunked college.
अरे Jason
No.
Bonds.
Jason Bonds. So they have come up to her and they said, why are you crying? Kahan hai mom, papa, and all that. So she said, she tried to like basically just describe them as best she could because you don't know your address properly, you don't know anything at that age.
You don't even know
So-
your mom dad's name. You're just saying mummy or papa.
That's true. So these college kids have trooped up and down the thing until they found the parents and they reunited Siddhi with the parents. So yeah, that happened. And
मजेदार.
so this is the perks of actually bunking college, guys. This is
Yeah.
what happens when you don't sit in your lecture. You save children, reunite families. It's the best.
But what you can now do is you can bunk your school, college, or work and come watch Ma Kasam when it happens in Mumbai, 26th to 28th September and middle of October, that is 10 to the 12th. Tickets are available नीचे. And I think अभी के लिए इतना है because बहुत सारे first है, तो maybe we can do a part 2 of first.
Yep.
ऐसा भी
Yeah.
कर सकते हैं.
Oh, you mean like the second first time?
Second or first?
Yeah, but you do the second first time and you do the first another second time. So it's the third time, but you're doing it the second time of the first time.
Gotcha.
Guys, for more
Alright.
more videos of Varun trying to explain numbers and
Explain this.
mathematics, please join in our next podcast.
But anyway, that's it from this episode of the Internet Set. So we were discussing a lot of our memorable firsts. We'll be discussing a lot other firsts as well later on. If you have any of your experiences that you would like us to know about, so let us know in the comments. You know,
Hey,
all your
please,
firsts.
please write your first email ID for sure. I think that would be
Ah,
Yeah.
if you can do that. That'd be crazy.
वो तो डालो बट करो कमेंट करो एंगेजमेंट बढ़ाओ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब घंटी बेल आइकॉन सब कुछ करो बिकॉज जितना करोगे उतना तुम हमारा कंटेंट ज्यादा देख पाओगे बट फॉर नाउ दैट्स इट फ्रॉम दिस एपिसोड विल सी यू अगेन नेक्स्ट वीक अंटिल देन इट्स गुड बाय टेक केयर टाटा सलामेश
hold up.
मैक्सी कम हियर नहीं आता है अभी
नहीं आता है.
आ रहा है
बैंक्सी यार आजा यार पोस्ट क्रेडिट सीन है.
Maxi.
पोस्ट क्रेडिट है भाई
इससे ओपनिंग करा ओपनिंग.
अबे
Wait, wait,
अबे
wait.
ये कुछ कचरा खा रहा है कचरा खा रहा है
उसको
Wait, let's see if he responds to his name. अरे लिखे ना. Banksy. Banksy.
Banksy. Banksy.
Banksy.
अरे मेरे कान में
अच्छा उसको नहीं सुना
यार, हटा ना.
बे.
इसको कुछ कचरा मिला है जो इज गोइंग आफ्टर
Classic post credit
you
scene.
had one job चल see you next week
Banksy.
Thanks.